Alright, so I hadn't recorded a video in a while. I was working on a lot of stuff and I just didn't find time to record a video, but now I'm recording another one. It's I'm probably gonna make another one just showing what I've made while I wasn't on here on YouTube, so I'll just show the new stuff that I have made over the past. Here on my site, of course, we have the. Oh wait, actually, yeah. Even starting off with a fireworks simulator, even that isn't. Haven't even announced it on my YouTube. It's just a small little fireworks simulator. You can play with the settings a lot. I mean, it's pretty cool. You can do whatever you want, create some interesting things with it. And make sure to not crash it. You can hide the menu here. You can create some interesting fireworks with it. Yeah. Next up, we have this spinning cube. It's at first it seems a normal cube, as it says it gets progressively worse. I can speed this process up real quick. Maybe. Now stage 1 is this. It's like the first stage of cursed. This is the second one. It just warps around itself, and I don't know. Stage 3. It completely gets one-dimensional and starts warping, and I don't know what's happening. Stage 4 is I don't even know. And stage 5 is just absolute madness. Yeah. How it works, probably nobody gives a shit, but I'm just gonna explain it. You have side, then there was a spinning cube. Yeah, as it's just a countdown till next year. I have no idea why I made this. This just calculates pi. It's a little bit slow, but see, it's also not accurate. Give it some time and it'll eventually come up with pi, but I mean it's creating pi from absolutely zero, so it's just the math behind it isn't even that complicated. I'm not gonna explain it here in the video, but it just calculates pi, and you see it's already got pi is equal to 3.141. That's not bad already. Then we have yes, a circle packing algorithm. I actually stole most of the code from. No, I didn't. Maybe I did. It just, if you don't know what circle packing is, you can literally see it on screen. And I also applied it to a color map, which is pretty cool. The color map is literally just white on the outside everywhere, and on the inside it returns such a colored circle, beautiful thing. You can let it run for a while. After some point, it will just stop because it won't find any places to put the circles anymore. But here you can also still see. That's kind of what it looks like. Yeah, that's just a bunch of triangles I made. Reload the page. It's every time different. It's just a bunch of triangles. I don't know why not. Again, unique color map. I think the color map looks pretty cool in my opinion. Triangles. The next one is this tiled lines. I don't know why it's so slow, but it just generates these tiled lines, creating this interesting pattern. Also completely random every time you run it. I think this is pretty interesting as well in my opinion. Also again, color map. By now I'm a well expert with these kind of color things. Next up we have this wavy lines. I don't know, it's like we've all seen this where it's just a bunch of lines and then as it gets towards the middle, it just gets a little random and noisy. I made it as well, just a little different, just a little different. So yeah, and it's not supposed to be something. It's just an artwork. Take it as an artwork, okay? This is art. It's ugly, but it's art, as most art. And the last thing I have here is this skyline, also randomly generated every time. Fun fact: this is actually just the what the fuck? The wavy lines algorithm we saw not just a minute ago. That's the same algorithm. It just, I don't know, amplify it like by, I don't know, to the 50th power or something, and then it resulted in this somehow. By the way, it is broken on mobile, I think. I don't know why. So I mean, you should anyways just visit my website on PC because it's like not recommended for mobile. It's because JavaScript on mobile is super slow and everything. And it's just, I don't recommend it in general. And yeah, that's actually all I have to say. Also, I added this small navigation menu down here, pages, and yeah, it's nothing special. Just if you don't want to use the slideshow or just want to find something, I don't know. I just added it because it's like, slideshow is just to showcase what I've made and just a bunch of screenshots. It's not really supposed to be the main navigation system. And again, I'm working on the website. This is very work in progress. Also, I'm saying I might get a new domain than the GitHub.io domain. Not sure still. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. It's already 8 minutes long. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. Well, see you in the next video. I don't know when I'm like it. I don't want to promise anything. Oh wait, no, I haven't showcased everything. You see in the slideshow, it's literally everything, but there's not one thing. Generative art, yeah, there's loopable noise creator. It uses 4-dimensional noise to create loopable noise. You can do all this modified, mostly just the same as in my Proline noise thing. But then you can sorry, and can render and download. It will generate a loopable 2D noise. It looks pretty cool. I have an example. I guess that's, have I showed everything? I think so, yeah. Well, bye. See you in the next video.